Hey ScoopBuddy fam, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, the impact of AI on various business sectors. Let's explore how artificial intelligence is transforming industries across the globe. 1. AI in healthcare. First up, let's talk about healthcare. AI is revolutionizing the medical field with advanced diagnostic tools and personalized treatment plans. AI algorithms analyze medical images to detect diseases with high accuracy, helping doctors make quicker and more precise diagnoses. Personalized treatment plans are created using AI by analyzing individual patient data, leading to more effective treatments. Additionally, predictive analytics in AI can foresee potential health issues, allowing for preventive care and better patient outcomes. Now, let's shift gears to another crucial sector. 2. AI in finance. In finance, AI is enhancing fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and customer service through chatbots. AI systems monitor transactions in real time to identify and prevent fraudulent activities, ensuring the security of financial data. Algorithmic trading, powered by AI, allows for executing trades at optimal times to maximize profits, providing a competitive edge in the financial markets. Moreover, AI-driven, personalized financial advice helps individuals make informed investment decisions based on their specific financial goals and risk tolerance. Next, let's see how AI is impacting retail. Point 3. AI in retail. Retail businesses are leveraging AI for personalized shopping experiences, inventory management, and customer insights. AI analyzes customer behavior to suggest products they might like, enhancing the shopping experience. Inventory management is optimized with AI, ensuring that products are always available and reducing waste. Furthermore, AI provides valuable customer insights by tracking preferences and buying patterns, allowing retailers to tailor their marketing strategies and improve customer satisfaction. 4. AI in manufacturing. Manufacturing has seen significant improvements with AI-driven automation, predictive maintenance, and quality control. AI-powered robots handle repetitive tasks with high efficiency and precision, reducing errors and increasing productivity. Predictive maintenance uses AI to foresee equipment failures before they happen, minimizing downtime and extending the life of machinery. Quality control is also enhanced by AI, which inspects products for defects, ensuring high-quality standards and reducing waste. And now, let's explore the world of transportation. 5. AI in transportation. AI is transforming transportation with self-driving cars, route optimization, and traffic management systems. Self-driving cars powered by AI can navigate roads and make decisions in real time, promising a future of safer and more efficient travel. AI also calculates the most efficient routes for delivery trucks and public transportation, reducing travel time and fuel consumption. Traffic management systems utilize AI to monitor and control traffic lights, reducing congestion and improving the flow of vehicles in urban areas. Lastly, let's take a look at AI in customer service. 6. AI in customer service. AI chatbots and virtual assistants are enhancing customer service by providing 24/7 support and resolving issues quickly. These AI-powered chatbots can handle routine inquiries instantly, ensuring that customers receive timely assistance at any hour. By learning from previous interactions, AI can offer more personalized support, making customers feel valued. This efficiency allows human agents to focus on more complex issues, improving overall customer satisfaction and support quality. Finally, let's discuss how AI is impacting the education sector. 7. AI in education. AI is making significant strides in education by providing personalized learning experiences, automating administrative tasks, and offering intelligent tutoring systems. AI-driven platforms can adapt to each student's learning pace and style, providing customized content to improve understanding and retention. Administrative tasks such as grading and scheduling are streamlined with AI, allowing educators to focus more on teaching. Intelligent tutoring systems offer additional support to students, helping them grasp complex concepts more effectively. As we've seen, AI is making waves across various sectors, bringing efficiency, accuracy, and innovation. We can't wait to see what the future holds.